Canary Mail versus Spark, which smart email client is best for you? So if you're looking to upgrade from default email apps, Canary Mail and Spark both offer intelligent, privacy conscious and productivity focused experiences. Whether your priority is encryption, smart inboxes or collaboration, these two apps take different approaches. Here's how they compare so you can pick the best one that fits your style. So let's start with Canary Mail. This is a secure email client designed with privacy in mind. It supports end-to-end encryption and features like PGP and on-device AI to enhance security and productivity. It's ideal for users who value privacy alongside features like smart replies, focused inbox, and read receipts. Pros: end-to-end encryption and PGP support, AI-powered features, for example, summarization, priority inbox, etc. Cross-platform, Mac OS, iOS, Windows, Android, and the emphasis on user privacy. Cons: some features require a subscription, interface can feel less refined compared to Spark, and occasional sync issues reported by issue users. Next, we got Spark. So this is a sleek collaborative email app built for teams and individuals. It emphasizes productivity of tools like smart inboxing, scheduling, snoozing, and team comments. It's more focused on helping you organize and respond to email quickly with a clean UI and fast performance. Pros: beautiful modern interface, great team collaboration tools, smart inbox and snooze schedule features, and there is a free plan available with many core features. Cons: limited encryption features, not ideal for higher privacy users. Team focused features may feel unnecessary for solo users, and data routed through Spark servers for some features. So final verdict, go with Canary Mail if your priority is privacy and encryption, or if you want local AI features without compromising security, or pick Spark if you're after a sleek, fast, collaborative email experience that helps organize inbox chaos with ease.